how to create an event on Facebook. So open your Facebook and log in into your account and then click on see more, and here you'll find events option, so click on it. Now click on create new event. Click on add cover photo to upload a cover photo to your event. And give here the event name and select here the start date, start time. Click on end date and time to select the end date and time. And select here the privacy. You can select in person or virtual, so I'm going to select here in person event, and you can add a location here. Who can see it? I'm going to select here friends. You can add a detail about your event here, then you can add a co-host. You can repeat your event from here. Go to additional settings, and here you will get show guest list option, so you can show your guest list by toggle on this option. And now click on create event. And as you can see, my event has been successfully created, and now I can easily invite people from here. So this is how we can create a Facebook event. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.